Bonjour, Kinamagi Nene Ireland Dijnikas, and welcome to this Math Tier 2 intervention. Today's episode, Math Tier 2 interventions, Reteach 5.1. Begin with our standard disclaimer that the best way to participate in these interventions is via the in-class sessions. I strongly encourage you to attend those, and these videos are intended to facilitate students who may have been absent or need to review the content. This will be the final week that the packets will be expecting the papers to come back to me. Beginning with next week's episodes, we will have a Google form for students to fill out based on these questions. Students that participate in class may still opt to show answers or participate via the discussion as well. All right, today's topic is rounding decimals. When you round a decimal, you find its approximate value. And a key word that you see in many story problems is about when you need to round or estimate. There are three key steps. First one, underline the digit in the place to be rounded. So if we're rounding 274 to the nearest 10, I would underline the 7. Step 2, you look to the digit to the right. If it is 4 or less, the underlined digit stays the same. If it is 5 or greater, we add 1 to the underlined digit. Step 3, drop all digits to the right of the rounded digit. This only applies if you are in the decimals. If it was 274, it would become 270. We can't drop that 0. But if it's 2.74 and we round it to 2.7, then we can. We do have to be cognizant of our place values. So let's do a couple here initially. I'm going to get my annotation tool out for us. All right, so around 287.63 to the nearest whole number. This may also be read at 287 and 6300ths. The whole number is the ones place. So if you see the word, let's get another color here. If you see the word whole number, we're talking ones right there. There's a 7. So that digit is a 7. We look to the digit to the right. So to the right of the 7 is a 6. Yes, I am aware of there's a decimal point. That doesn't matter for this procedure. Is it 4 or less or 5 or greater? So it's a 6, so 5 or greater. Write this out here. And you should be writing this on your paper as you view this video. Any point that I'm going too fast, you may pause the video, write it down, and then push play and go further. So the rounded number, this 6 makes this 7 go to 8. So it becomes 288. Because we're going to the whole number, and that's a 1, that does keep our place value legit. We could drop those off. All right, let's do another one here. Round 67 and 1/100th to the nearest 10th. 10th is going to be this 0 here. Tenths are the first number to the right of a decimal point. Remember, there are no once. It goes tenths, hundredths on this side, and then ones, tens going that way. So the 0 is going to be what's underlined. The number to the right is a 1. 1 is, in fact, 4 or less. So the new rounded number would just be 67.0. .67 would work as well. I included the 0 just to reflect that we are working in the tens place, and not just dropping things off randomly. If you need a moment to pause or to write everything in, feel free to hit pause on the video, finish writing it in, and then hit play again. Otherwise, in 10 seconds, I will delete what's on here and we'll do a few more together. All right, let's go ahead and clear those drawings. We have 8 more here. We're going to do the first 2 together, and then you will complete the rest. First one, round each decimal to the place indicated, hundredths. So again, on the right of our decimal, we have tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. Notice I had the at the end, that's THS. The hundredths is the second one, so it's a 3. I looked at the number to the right is also a 3. So that means that this 3 stays the same. My answer, 45.83, or 45 and 83 hundredths. Going to the ones place, that's a 9. The number to the right is a 3. 3 does not add 1 to the 9, so it stays at 89. Just as a reminder, if this had been a 5 here and we were going up, because we can't put 810, it would go up to 90. I do want you to practice these remaining 6 problems, and we'll review those at the beginning of our next session. If you have any questions, please do reach out to me during office hours or schedule a one-on-one Zoom, and we hope that you'll be participating in our group intervention soon. Have a minugijigad and bamapi.